Happy. Some 15 years back, when I kept a dog, it was a pedigreed dog, German Shepherd, and he used to leave a lot of his food. So I used to go to the nearby mother dairy to buy milk where a female dog had littered, and I used to feed her. And since I realized that there's nobody who's feeding these dogs and they keep giving birth to pups who keep dying on the road, I got her neutered, and then when the pups grew up, I got them neutered too, and that's how I started. See, I spend approximately 40 to 50,000 rupees every month, and you can just multiply that, factor it around 4-5 lakh rupees every year for feeding dogs, for getting them vaccinated, for getting them dewormed, for getting them treated, for getting them sterilized. In the morning I feed the dogs, and if there are any injured dogs, then they're taken to the vet for treatment. And in the evening I get the food prepared for the dogs. It cools overnight, and then in the morning the dogs are fed again. So that's what I do. The main challenge is keeping a balance between your professional life and something which is like a hobby for me. That's really tough because professionally I work in the private sector, and that demands a lot of your time. Well, I would like them to be more compassionate towards other creatures on this earth. I would like them to empathize and be compassionate, and take into consideration other animals. So these days when you see any write-up in a newspaper, they will write stray cattle menace, stray dog menace, stray monkeys menace. I feel that a lot of human beings consider earth to be their own, and they feel that God did not create these other creatures and this is all our land. They have to realize that a lot of these lands, including the place where we are sitting, were actually fields or forests, and they've been taken over by people, flattened out so that plots and societies can be raised. So you have to realize that there are other animals, and you have to be more compassionate and responsible. I need a lot of dog food. That's one thing which I regularly need. I need medicines, I need things like shampoos, leashes, collars, all kinds of stuff. My name is Nadir Khan. I'm an animal welfare activist.